Good morning, students. Joyada here. Today, we are doing algebraic expression which we have done before, but after a long time, you are here with this chapter. So, there is a recapitulation for you. Now, the new terms, variables, constant, terms, coefficient, expression, monomial, binomial, trinomial. This we will give again a summary on it. Now we will start from variable. We know very well that variable, what is a variable? The letter x, y, l, m, etc. we denote as variable. Why they are variable? Because a variable can take various values. Afterwards you will come to know that how they are changing their values. So we will start the sums. The letters x, y, l, m, this kind of a, b, c, d, whatever the alphabets we are using in an algebraic expression, these are known as variables. Now come to constant terms. What is some examples of constant terms? Say number 4, 100, say -17. You can take any more number also, 5, -9, etc. So many constant number you can think. Why they are constant? Because it has a fixed value and these values will not change as variables values are changing. For this reason they are known as constant. Now come to the word terms. We shall now a systematic way of the expression are formed. Say we are taking one expression, say 3x square plus 7y. Now see, this is an algebraic expression and here we are getting two terms. One is 3x square and another is 7y. 3x square and 7y. It is one example of the expression has two terms. Next, take one expression, another expression, say 5xy. How many terms are there? See, you can see that here only one term. So it is one term. In this way, these are known in an expression. How many terms you are getting? These are known as how many parts you are getting. How many are separate with plus or minus. How many expressions in an expression? How many parts you are getting? These are known as terms. Next, come to coefficient. In this expression only, take the example of this expression 3x square plus 7y. Here the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square here? With x square, which number is there? Number or variable, whatever is there, we have to mention them as, we have to write them as coefficient. In x square, what you can see? The coefficient of x square, only 3 here, it is 3. The coefficient of y in the next term, it is 7. Understood? In this way, the coefficient we will find out. Now, expression. Take some expression, say, take one expression as we have taken minus 7mn. It is one expression. An example of another expression, say 5xy plus 10. These are algebraic expressions. Take another expression, write 8 minus x plus y. This is another expression. What we can see that in this expression we have seen one term only. In this expression I have taken two terms. In this expression I have taken three terms. Understood? Now come to monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial, binomial and trinomial. We will now what is the difference between monomial? When the number of term is 1, number of term is 1 only, then it is monomial. So give some examples of monomial. Here in this expression it is also a monomial, 5xy. So examples, 5xy. Here also I have given another monomial where it is minus 7am, minus 7mn. So these are also monomial. Constant term, if I take it single only, say 10 or minus 9, these are also monomial, examples of monomial. Now examples of binomial. Examples of binomial, there the name is telling that bi means 2, mono means 1, bi means 2, tri means 3. So in a binomial expression you will get two terms only. So examples of binomial, number of terms 2. Examples of binomial, give example. You can also give your own example. Say here 5xy plus 10 is an example of binomial. Here I have given 3x square plus 7y. This is also an example of binomial. 3x square plus 7y. It is also an example of binomial. And 4x minus 3y. These are etc. These are the examples of binomial. Now as the name indicating, trinomial means number of terms 3. So give examples of trinomial where the number of terms are 3. Give examples like this: 8 minus x plus y, 8 minus x plus y. Another one you can give, think and give my plus n plus 5. These are the examples of binomial, trinomial. Understood? Now when we are explaining monomial, binomial, trinomial, there you can get some confusion afterwards. Then what is polynomial? So from your NCERT math book, page number 233, you can get this information. In general, an expression with one or more terms is called a polynomial. In general, an expression with one or more terms, one term or more terms is called a polynomial. Thus, a monomial, a binomial and a trinomial are all polynomials. Understood? This is important. That is why I am giving this one separately to you. I hope you all understood this recapitulation again, and you try to keep it in your memory, and no need to write it, just understand. Thank you, students.